What's up guys, this is John, you're watching Spotlight. I'm on my way to the Apple store to buy the new AirPods Pro. I'll unbox them and give you a first impressions review, so let's do this.
Actually getting low, so I'm gonna have to replace the paper, but
Thank you very much.
you have a good one.
Thanks. And here they are. And with the packaging I was asking for, with the packaging I like. Okay guys, so here we are. Here's the box. Feels kind of heavy actually, and just have you show you the box from all around. Here's the Apple logo, the AirPods Pro wireless charging case. I love the silver color they use here, and this packaging finally has the tab I've been asking for. And here's that $249 price tag. Anyway, so here's the tab. I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing. Okay, so this comes around. Oh, so it's not like the wrapping you'd have around the AirPods case itself. It kind of tears, but it has a tab, so you can get into it easily. So that's cool. And this comes off. Okay, not too easily, but never mind. Designed by Apple in California. And here's the AirPods Pro case. Here's the paperwork inside the AirPods Pro. Okay, and here they are themselves, the AirPods. Should be nice and easy. Okay, not too easy, but still not a huge deal. And here they are, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow, you know, the funny thing is, when I saw these on the website, I thought they looked kind of strange, but when I'm holding them, they just look fresh and new, and they look cool. They look cooler than the old ones. I'll show you the old ones in a bit. We'll do like a bit of a comparison, but yeah, I like this very much. And finally, silicone rubber tips. So anyway. Okay. And this little compartment contains the silicone ear tips. The different sized ones. I don't know which ones are gonna fit me yet. I'm gonna try at least one of them and see which ones work. These are the really small ones, these are the large ones, so I guess the ones on the AirPods are the medium ones. And here's the charging cable. So pretty straightforward. So here are the second generation AirPods with a floss package-like case. These are not the wireless charging ones. This is a comparison to what things look like. The heads of the AirPods Pro look bigger in a way, but I think the AirPods Pro look much cooler than the second generation AirPods. And now it's time to set them up with my phone. I just can't believe the level of noise cancellation these provide. Like when I put them in my ears, it's like I hit mute on the audio of life. It's unbelievable. If you can afford these, I think these are a super good buy. You are getting a proper Apple experience for your money. Would I have liked it to be cheaper? Of course. Is it great? It's unbelievable. It really is great. Now, just to be clear, if something's super loud, like there's a car roaring down the road, you're still gonna hear that, but it's going to be like this quieter roar. It's not gonna bother you. I really also like the controls on the stem. So when you're listening to something, this is what it works like. You squeeze the stem, and the way you know that it's working is you hear this little click in your ear. So one squeeze is you pause whatever's playing, another squeeze, a single squeeze, you play it again, a double squeeze and you hear like a double click, it skips to the next track, a triple squeeze, it goes back to the previous track. So it worked with me, I'd say about 90-95% of the time, and that may not be at a fault of the AirPods Pro at all. It may just be at a fault of I'm not clicking the right part of the stem. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Like I said, this is just a first impressions video. There's going to be another more detailed review. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share and subscribe, and see you next time.